Hi, welcome to my video on how to earn money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including content creation, customer service, and more. One way to earn money with ChatGPT is by providing content creation services to businesses or individuals. This could include writing blog posts, articles, or even social media posts. All you need is a good understanding of the topic you're writing about and the ability to train ChatGPT on the appropriate data. Another way to earn money with ChatGPT is by using it for customer service. Many businesses are turning to chatbots and AI-powered customer service agents to handle customer inquiries and complaints. By training ChatGPT on customer service data, you can create a chatbot that can handle a wide range of customer interactions. There are many other ways to earn money using ChatGPT, such as creating chatbot apps for mobile devices, or using it for language translation services. The possibilities are endless. If you're interested in earning money with ChatGPT, I recommend checking out the OpenAI website, where you can find more information and resources on how to get started. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to earn money using the latest technology.